Hello everyone, this is your friend tarot card reader Prajakta Patil, and today as usual I'm here to do your weekly tarot card reading for the week starting from 15th of March 2021 till 21st March 2021. And yes, we have started with another new thing with the Tower of Pentacles. So what we are doing is we are performing rituals on behalf of you. There are lots of rituals. For example, there are rituals for prosperity, there are rituals for ancestral healing, in which all our ancestors are healed, because there might be pain or there might be karmic effects. So there is another ritual called for new jobs, or say enhancing business, or there are rituals for selling your shop, home, because many of us we struggle a lot for selling or buying a new place, right? So there are rituals for that and they work miraculously. Okay, so rather than just staying with, or sticking with one point and not getting anywhere, it's better to perform a ritual, and we will do it on behalf of you. Okay, so you just have to contact us for these rituals on 8451872244. Also for tarot card reading, you can just take appointments on the same number. Okay, so we will start doing your weekly tarot card reading. Okay. Okay, so one set of cards is done. We'll do another set. Oh, so cards are pretty good for all of us, right? So I'll show you one by one. So for the first aspect, that is the love relationships, you can see that the person is not so happy with what he has or what she has, right? But don't worry, because even if you are feeling sad about it, or you have been sad for a longer period till now, don't worry, because the second card is telling us that whatever struggles you are doing, or whatever efforts you are doing, and you're still struggling with the effort, please don't forget that it is going to be a successful effort, right? You will succeed for sure. So even if you feel sad, it's okay. It's a natural feeling to be sad. Okay, so even if you feel sad, don't be scared that you're not going to get that thing, or you're not going to get your love partner, or you're not going to get that soul mate for yourself. Okay, it is going to happen. Please keep taking efforts, please have conversations. Okay, what I feel is, there should be a positive conversation that will help you keep that attachment with the partner that you want in your life. Okay, so that is to be taken care of. Now the second aspect is the career life. Now what we see is a lady, a small girl is giving away something, that's a gratitude. So always remember, there is going to be something very special for you, that is that might be any surprise at your workplace. It might be a promotion, or it might be a project that you were wishing to work for, and there might be say some relocation or transfer that you wanted, and it will happen this week. Okay, so keep praying for it and it will happen. Okay, also what I feel is, now the second card for career life is peaceful resolution. Now as we say that whatever you were praying for, it is going to happen. So don't forget that there is going to be a peaceful resolution for the problems that you're facing right now. Okay, even if you're having some issues at workplace, or you're struggling with something, or you're not getting what you want or what you deserve, you will get it. Okay, it is going to be a peaceful resolution. Okay, so we will turn to the next aspect, which is the family life. Okay, now as the card says, five of wands. Now this is the card which shows that there's going to be a fighting kind of thing in your family, but don't take it um, in a literal meaning that you all are going to just fight like that. But there are going to be some verbal fights, or there are going to be situations. Okay, sudden situations wherein you will not be the culprit, but somehow you will be seen as a culprit for the things that you haven't done at all. Okay, so please make sure, even if you see somebody coming to you with a problem or with a complaint for yourself, please listen to them very carefully. Make them sit once they are done talking to you, and let them know that you haven't done it at all. You have to explain them. Once you explain them, it is going to be fine. Okay, but things are going to be like that. Okay, so just be ready for such situations. Also, what I feel, see, the second card for family life is no need to worry. So don't worry if you see that something, some kind of turmoil is coming towards you. You just don't have to worry about it. Okay, it will just come and it will pass by. Okay, so don't just worry that I don't know what is going to happen in my family. There would be some fight or something which is not you know a peaceful, or peaceful situation. So don't worry, it may happen, and it may so happen that it will just happen for a while and it will vanish like that. So just be ready for it, and you know what to do, right? Okay, now the third no, the sorry, for the fourth aspect, which is for our children. There is this card called as the moon card. Okay, now as we see, there is going to be someone. Okay, now you have to keep an eye on your children, whether they are playing outside. So we know that in this COVID era, we are still letting our children to play outside with some of the children around. Okay, so please make sure that they are safe, because there are going to be chances that they might get affected or infected by COVID virus. Okay, make sure they are totally sanitized once they come home. Okay, don't let them just be around without taking any precautions about COVID. Okay, that is going to help you a lot, because see, precautions are always better than the cure. Okay, and what I feel, see, now the second card for children is romance. Now everybody must be like, oh, our children must be in the romantic relationships. Now we have to keep an eye on them. Please do not worry. Now children, when, see, even I am a child of my parents. Okay, so when we say children, they can be teenagers, or even beyond 18. So it's okay to get to know that that the kid is in a romantic relationship. Please accept that. Talk to them. If you come to know from a source or something, or if you see them personally with their partner or something, you just talk to them. Okay, because once you talk to them, it is going to be a healthy relationship, and you will actually have a good rapport, a healthy relationship with your child. Okay, this will help you a lot. Okay, if you do not do so, if you just turn into a wild parent, and if you don't talk to them nicely, if you don't resonate with their feelings, it will not be a good idea. Okay, so better to be a friend. Be a friend for them. Okay, so overall, try to protect them. because we saw in the first card that they might be affected. So better to keep them safe from third person, or say the surroundings, whatever is happening today. So I hope we all are clear about all the aspects. And again I will remind you for the rituals, because we all are going through something. We at least we have job issues, or we have business issues, we do not have finances, we are struggling with finances, then we don't know what to do. So there are all the things, and the specific thing that I would just um, emphasize on is there are prayers and rituals for selling plots, homes, shops, lands, everything, and also buying of the same things, because we are stuck. Because sometimes what happens is we need some finances, and that is a dead money that we have invested in some home or shop, and we need to sell it as soon as possible, and it is not happening anyhow. So what we have to do is, in such situation, you just have to call us. There is some very less amount of energy exchange that we charge you for, and we will do the ritual for you as we are attuned for it. Okay, so please don't worry about it, they will work miraculously for you. We are getting very good response for it. So please go ahead and take the bookings for all the rituals. And for more details you will have to contact us for 8451872244. Stay blessed. Thank you.